Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Tidy Twins Mom, with another interesting video for you guys to watch. And first of all, I just want to thank you so much for coming and stopping by. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your commitment, just taking your time to come and watch my video. So I just want to take this time to just give you a quick update about my our garden right here. As you can see, we've got something good coming up, something interesting, something delicious, because the things you are seeing also be cooking in our kitchen. So it is something delicious, yes. And now it is now time for us to come live here, but we are not just will not be coming here permanently, but we are coming here for the long holidays, the 2 month, the November and December holiday. And guys, this is what have come out over the year, of not over through the whole year, the whole of this 9-10 months. We planted, we threw these seeds here in April. Was it in April? May, April, yes. And guys, this is what has just come out. You can see so many of pumpkin around, and even the pumpkin leaves. And guys, we've eaten the pumpkin leaves until I'm like, yeah, we've really eaten these pumpkin leaves, because it has been one of our most delicious green vegetables in our home, in our kitchen. We have been eating it like after every 2 weeks. When we come here, we get it. And it has been it has been our best greens vegetables in the kitchen. So now it has come to our time that we need to clear this place. But now I'm just confused, because our pumpkins, the pumpkins are so many, and some even they're almost ripening. And we need to clear this place. But I just hope that by the time we realize, we come to the decision of clearing this place, everything will be ripe, and will be removing those that are ripe. I just feel so happy, because even after we have come to the decision, I won't regret, because I've got so much from here. It has been a gold place for me, and I'm so happy, because everything I deserve has come has come from this place. The pumpkins, the pumpkin leaves, and also now I'm going to get again the pumpkin seeds. So I just so happy. And as we start now our clearing, and also doing other activities that will be taking place, I'm hoping that I'll be around to give you every step of the construction, and every step of everything that will be happening. And just requesting for those who have not subscribed, just to subscribe, and also watch the video till the end for the monetization, guys. And God bless you so much. So it was just a quick update, and I hope you enjoyed. And hoping that you'll be able to catch up with everything that I'll be bringing or posting, and we be growing together. So this all the whole of this place is still not constructed. As you can see, we have not finished even construction of the home. We have not cleared with the what the rangi the color painting of the house. And outside here, it needs to be now constructed. Even the perimeter wall, as you can see, everything just still very far to be completed. So I know this is the work that is going to be taking place during the long holiday, and I'm just praying that I'll be able to bring you updates every day, so that you can see sorry, so that you can see whatever will be going on. And some of these places will be dug, like dug and levelized, because we need to put to put a safe place for the kids to play. And for the garden will be left like that, because we need again to replant some of the plants. So thank you for watching, and God bless you all.